Next topic, mountain forest. Next topic, the mountain forest. The mountain forests the forests are being classified into based upon the altitude and the rainfalls, the height and the rainfalls. These forests are classified on the basis of altitude and based upon the rainfalls. The first one is these are found in the slope of the mountains in the northeastern state, mainly in the Purvanchal side. It is located in the Purvanchal side, that is a northeastern state, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipura, Tripura. So these are found in these regions. They are found in the slope of the mountains. These forests are found at altitudes. These forests found at altitude 1200 to 2400 meters the height, and this the important trees also found in this major trees are oak, chestnut and cinnamons, and other some of the trees also found in this forest. And mainly for this, the another one is for the 2400 to 3600 meters altitudes. The based upon the mainly for based upon these altitudes and rainfalls. The another one is for the oak, silver, pine and juniper, and major trees also found in the altitude 2400 to 3600. So these are is found in this mountain forest. Another one is for this, the rainfall of these regions in the moderate. Another one is the depend upon this moderate rainfall in these mountain areas. The altitudes of the 900 meters, this is called a semi-desert vegetation, is found mainly for semi-desert vegetations also found in this forest, and is known as some of the trees found in this. So mainly for this forest found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. So the mountain forest is located in this Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and some of the places are found in this forest. The altitudes of the semi-desert vegetation. So it is a mountain forest. The green colors is located in this Kashmir side and the northeastern state. So the found is known as bushes and sumal. The bushes and the sumal trees also found in these regions. The sumal trees also found in these regions. And the other one is the altitudes 900 to 1800 meters. The shrubs is most common trees. Another one is for the 1800 meters to 3000 meters. 1800 to 3000 meters is covered as semi-temperate coniferous. Found in coniferous. Next one is alpine forest. So the alpine forests are found in this mainly for along the Himalayas with the above 2400 meters altitudes. The Asian part of the Himalayas has a large extract of this forest. Mainly for important trees are the oak, silver, pine, junipers are the main trees of this forest. This forest, the alpine forest found in the northeastern Himalayas, the eastern part of the Himalayas, the large extent of this forest.